Hello everyone, this is the Shitcoin Detective. I'm wondering if you received this airdrop. So 2 days ago, approximately, they airdropped 69 nice tokens to a bunch of people. About 100,000 people got this. Called the Shield Moon is coming. It's apparently a token. I don't recommend you to buy it. It's something that is apparently tries to do viral marketing, and this was part of it. So they airdropped 100,000 people. What caught my eye is that the price of the token was set to $86 billion, and they airdropped 69 tokens to everyone. So it might have showed up in your wallet as how much is that, like billions of dollars. So it's kind of funny that we are receiving airdrops which are this size, basically. Yeah, before you ask, no, you can't sell it. If you look at here is the money in the liquidity pool. So there's that $1,000 in the liquidity pool. So obviously I looked at PancakeSwap and the price impact was like 99.99% when you're trying to sell it. And you can't sell it. Nobody can, of course. This is one of those tokens which cannot be transferred. But the sheer amount of dollar value that you are receiving is makes it a little bit amusing, in my opinion. All right, let's get to the main topic of this video, which is frequently asked questions about token airdrops, because you've been asking a lot of questions. I've been trying to answer them all in the YouTube comments, but some of them came up quite a lot of times. So, for example, here is Rocky Burns asked it that this is the first time I'm dealing with this kind of thing. I gave approval and tried to sell. Is it an issue that it was connected and approved? How do we go forward if that was done? What did you approve? That's the question. What did you get approval on the website, or did you try to approve it on PancakeSwap? These are very, very different things. The scam only works if you connect your wallet on the website and you give approvals on the website. If you just do that on PancakeSwap or PooCoin or anything else, the scam doesn't work. Right. So this is a few people asked that they can't sell the token. Yes, that's the point. I mean, the scammer is not going to give you money. They give you useless tokens, and when you're trying to sell, they are going to exploit smart contracts and take your tokens from your wallet. So no, you can't sell the token. It's a very good observation. Yes. And then, sorry, I'm not going to be able to pronounce your name properly, asks that he received 800,000 tokens. Help me. Yeah, the best thing that you can do is nothing. Don't touch the token, hide it from your wallet. Don't try to sell it. Don't go on website and connect your wallet to anywhere. That's the help I can give you. If you do that, your wallet is safe. Please make a video on how to save Trust Wallet from these kind of tokens. Yeah, so how do you make your wallet safe? As I was saying, don't go and connect it on websites, right? Trust Wallet is a mobile wallet. As far as I know, there is no desktop version of it. But if you go to the wallet, and you can go to websites there, and you can connect it to websites which have Web3. So it's you go to the app section, and you can go to any website that you want to. So your wallet can be in danger. It's not only MetaMask, which or MetaMask, sometimes people pronounce it that way, which is unsafe from this. Trust Wallet is also susceptible to this sort of attacks. How you save it? I think the best way that you can do is if you connect it to an unknown website for Trust Wallet, is that you transfer the tokens, because right now Yeah, but that could be the easiest way that you can achieve. Now, I just approved swap and it fails. Is my wallet safe? This is the first question I'm going to ask you. Which website? If you try to do it on PooCoin, if you try to do it on PancakeSwap, because these, for example, PooCoin is not going to be, they don't have their own decentralized exchange. What they do is they call PancakeSwap's API and interact with the token, which is on PancakeSwap, the liquidity pool token. So what PooCoin does is, actually let's take a look into this for a second. This is the liquidity pool token, right? It's a contract. You can interact with this contract, right? You see here, this is the LP tokens contract. And what PooCoin does is writes a contract which says the swap. So whenever you are interacting with PooCoin, you are interacting with this contract and you're using this function to swap one token to another one. They don't have their own decentralized exchange. It's the exact same thing to go to PancakeSwap and interact with that. So the only way they take your tokens, your money, is if you go to their website, because when you're trying to do that, they're not going to go for this contract. They're going to go to the scam contract, which we again then get approvals to spend tokens from your wallet. So it failed. Yeah, you're fine. They just threw $2,000 from my friend's wallet. Yes, I'm very sorry. Can he somehow claim back or get it back? No, the transactions on the cryptocurrency blockchains are final. So once they are done, it's done. There is no cancel, there is no undo button. This is called finality, and it's what makes it secure. Because imagine a situation where you want to, for example, swap a token to another token, right? And then you swap it, and then you hit cancel. So what happens then? There was a price impact when you bought it, so the price of the other token went up. Do you sell it? Who is going to pay for the gas? It just opens up a whole lot of questions that none of these systems is prepared to do, which opens up scammers the possibility to take your money, and there is no way that you can get it back. Not with technology. If you really were scammed, then this is possible to prove. And I don't think this happens, but technically it would be possible to catch these people in real life, bring them to court, and then sue them. Then you couldn't get back your money. But not on the blockchain. There is not a button that you can press and then suddenly you get back your money. I'm sorry. So what should we do? Do we just leave it alone or what? Yes, that's the best way you can deal with these airdrops. You hide it from your wallet. So the Trust wallet, for example, which I'm using, I can hide a token just by swiping it to the left, and then it's disabled and it doesn't show up there. From MetaMask, you can also get rid of tokens. It's probably right-click on the token. I have to check it myself now. Just give me a second. So you go to Assets, click on the asset. There is a burger menu on the top right, so that's 3 dots. And then you click, say hide. There's a trash can icon next to it. That's how you can hide it from MetaMask. I'm so dumb and tried going to Binance Scan, but they opened token approval checker. Can't Oh yeah, I'm sorry. So token approval checker link is not working. Yes, BSC Scan put this token approval checker whenever I was making this video, and because it's a trustable website, this is the link that I was recommending to everyone. Since then it was in beta version and they took it down, so the link that I provided doesn't work anymore. The alternative that I can recommend is this website, app.unrec.net. We'll put the link into the description of this video. As far as I know, this is the best alternative to the BSC Scan token approval checker. I haven't used it myself, I haven't needed it, but other people said that it's working. I found your video too late. Yeah, it's never too late. Well, maybe it is, because he just said he lost $21,000 worth of coins to this scam last night. Yeah, I feel sorry for you. I genuinely am. I hope this will be a lesson to other people. Cryptocurrency, you can get a lot of money and you can lose a lot of money in seconds. And I hope by making these videos I can educate some people and this can be avoided in the future. Always use hardware locker, Trezor or Ledger. Scams like this don't work with hardware protection. Yeah, I'm sorry, but this is just wrong information that you're saying here. Hardware wallets don't protect you from approving smart contracts. A hardware wallet is basically storage for your seed phrase, right? So the seed phrase is like this is 15 words that your wallet is using when you're approving a contract. So it's not stored on your computer. So if, for example, you would download a virus for your computer and it would steal the seed phrase, they cannot do that because it's not stored on the computer, it's stored on an external device, and there is no mechanism to upload the virus to this external device. However, you can still approve smart contracts with Trezor or Ledger, right? As far as I know, that's still possible because you need to be able to do that to transfer money or to swap tokens. And they're using the same mechanism. You just give approval to spend your tokens from your wallet. Just for a second, understand that the tokens that you have, it's not actually on the wallet. It's always on the blockchain. What you have in your hardware wallet is the seed phrase. So even if you think that you are safe because you use the hardware wallet, you're not. The same way if you go to a website and you want to approve it, plug in your hardware wallet, it will pop up, oh, do you approve this? You click yes, they take the tokens no matter what. And one last thing, I received a lot of positive feedback and my YouTube channel grew a lot in the past, let's say 2 months. I realized that this is mostly because of the airdrop videos that I have been doing. So thanks everyone for the positive feedback and thanks for subscribing to my channel. I hope that I made a positive impact on on your trading, or I informed you about things, or I educated you about things. If you want to know more about how blockchain and swapping and other scams are working, I recommend you watch some of my earlier videos. They don't have that many views as the airdrop videos, but I explain many things in them. Now, how are we going from here, right? So I've been thinking about doing a do your own research series where I would in each video would be a shorter video where I would explain just one aspect of the blockchain. For example, how to check if liquidity of a token is locked, or how to check if a token had like the early tradings of the token, or the tokenomics is working. So I've been thinking about this. The other thing which I've been thinking about is I had the earlier a token rating tool. Now I don't think the token rating tool would be very useful for you, because for me myself it takes half an hour to fill out for one token to get an approval rating, right, the safety rating of it, and I'm the one who is writing it, so it either needs to be simplified or it needs to be optimized, and I've been looking into the ways of how I could do that. One way of doing that would be to get some of this from APIs, some of this information, and I've been looking at that. Now I would probably need a pro subscription for the Binance Smart Chain and the BSC scan, and I'll be honest, this is not very cheap, right? This is it doesn't say it here, but it's a monthly subscription that I would need to pay for that you can do the token scans, and it's about $150 a month or something like that. Right now I'm not in a position to just jump headfirst into this, because after that I would need to have hosting fees, and I would need to probably do some sort of marketing for it, and I strongly believe that the amount of traffic that this website would be generating by advertisement, it wouldn't cover these costs. So I don't want this to be a paid service. So I really have to look into a way how I would be able to basically release this. Right now I don't see a way for this, not unless the community of my YouTube viewers would grow quite substantially. I might set up a donation either on the blockchain, a wallet where you can donate to be able to do this, but I'm kind of reluctant for doing so, because I don't want to promise anything that I wouldn't be able to deliver. So we really have to look into a way how it's possible to do. So yeah, I think this has been a video where I explained a few things about my channel, about the airdrops. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, helps growing, and helps promoting this sort of content to other people. I think at this point you realize that my channel is not going to be like other YouTube channels where they promise you that the token is going to get 10,000 times its current price, and then when after the releasing this video they just dump their basket on you. Basket, is it? Yeah, basically sell the tokens when you are buying it. So this is not that sort of YouTube channel. I hope you still like the content that I'm producing, and this has been the Shitcoin Detective. Take care, everyone.